The following incident shows why it is always of the utmost importance to be aware of our airport surroundings at all times. On January 9th, 2023, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
What's going on?
Bunch of CBP officers traveling right now.
How you doing, sir?
Mom!
You already got him?
Yeah, we got him.
All right, man. So what happened?
Talk to him. This guy wasn't doing the most.
I was walking down and apparently he was sitting right across from this old lady and he just jumped on her and started dragging her. And like dragging her. I don't know if he was getting her, trying to get something or what, but I didn't see anybody doing anything, so I grabbed him in a headlock and took him down.
Okay. All right.
She's still out there?
Yeah, she's sitting right there.
Okay. She hurt?
Okay.
No, she's just startled, just like I am. So.
We're good if you want to go talk to that guy.
Yeah, okay. I'll go talk to her. I'll get a witness statement and get one from you also. I'm going to send another unit so we can grab him, okay? All right, man. I'll just go around. I don't want to hear that.
No security guys! No security guys!
2704, go ahead.
2704. So we have a guy, he may be 24. He apparently attacked another passenger out here. The officers are holding him down. Can I get another unit out here to help me out? I'm going to take some witness statements. Yeah, I know.
I copy. Be advised, 2708 is en route.
Where's the young lady? All right. I just want you to stay right here. I'm going to run to the car. I'll be right back. I'm going to get you. Are you okay? You need any medical attention? No? Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get your witness statement, okay?
Be advised, the officer that's holding him down.
And I'll be right back. Just stay right here. All right. 2704. And be advised, it's actually A Alpha 20.
I copy.
Well, which officer's holding this guy down?
Look like some air marshal.
Kill me, guys! 7/17 is my birthday! You're gonna kill me. I know you guys gotta kill me.
Hey, I still got him coming. He keeps saying, he keeps giving me an ETA of he's almost here.
Okay.
So just hold up. Who are y'all working for? Because they want to know.
CBP.
See who?
CBP. Customs.
Gotcha. 2704 ready up.
What am I being hold for?
Go ahead.
What are you holding me for?
2704. The guys who are actually holding him, they work for customs.
Then why you have me like this?
I copy.
Then let me go. Yes, let me go.
All right. You're a customs officer also, or you're just
No, sir.
Passive. Okay. Hey, they're right around the corner, man. I got a unit coming.
Okay.
2794 copy, working custom. Do we have the guy that's saying that the situation under control?
Yeah, everything is fine. Just waiting on the unit to put them in the car.
Ready to raise the customs agent so they can bring the customs
Right
car
here
around?
at the gateway, on the concourse. Yeah. So just waiting on 8 to get here. All right. Thank you.
That happened pretty fast.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Well, I know you wrote it down, but I do have to ask you to tell me your story again. Okay, there you are, sir. You can write yours down. And don't forget to fill out the top part. Go ahead. And I am recording, so go ahead.
Well, I was standing at that kiosk there, filling out, working on the computer.
Yes, ma'am.
And all of a sudden, some guy came up and I had my bag over my arm like this, and he grabbed a hold of it and like started trying to take it away from me.
Okay. So try to take your bag.
Yeah, and so I guess, and he's pulling and my trying to hang on, I ended up on the floor until that gentleman was kind enough. There was a few guys that tried to help, and he finally subdued him.
Yeah.
Got him down. So.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't remember. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. All right, make sure I get all of his information, but I definitely want to get yours, make sure I'm going to look at.
He held on to it because when he came, she was here, and he held her all the way over there.
Oh, yeah?
He was holding
her
her
too, huh?
until he
So
came.
I always saw, I was walking that way. And all I saw was somebody getting, I thought it was like a kid running. You know how kids run around?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. And then I saw a woman on the floor, so I just ran and grabbed her.
What's up,
going
man?
on? You wanna
Hey,
take it to the
gotta
car?
get that guy in the car. My car's out here. I don't know where you parked. You parked like 820.
Yeah.
Just take him to the precinct.
Okay.
That's it. I'm still getting a witness statement from this guy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Give you a hand, then I'm
All right.
turning over. Kind of hard, understand? Okay.
He intoxicated?
He got a little blood on his finger. The aliens came inside him. They got inside of me on this plane. They came inside of me.
You gonna walk downstairs without a problem?
Depending who's arresting me. Are you the police officer?
Yes.
Okay. You have
Yes.
no problem at all.
Go ahead and stand up. Go ahead and stand up. Switch our cuss with whoever's cuss.
Yeah. Sorry about that, guys.
Hey, no,
We
no
appreciate
problem,
it,
man.
Raphael.
Thanks for being good with us, all right?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Radio is acting up. 2704, that's affirmative. It was a physical attack. He initially tried to grab her bag and then he proceeded to drag her across the floor.
I copy.
He's strong.
Strong as
Yeah.
that big old dude, but he was wrestling that big dude, man. That dude, 260, 70 pounds.
Mm-hmm.
He held on to the lady because the lady would have got crushed. He was holding on to her, holding on to her.
Just hurt, son. Pulling her back.
Yeah, because that fucking guy would have beat the shit out of that lady. He would have probably hurt her bad.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do about the same.
Oh my goodness, brother. I don't know what to say about it, but it's gonna be a quarterback situation. It's Philo's out, so when I tell DOA who helped out, make sure I mention you. All right, so name, date of birth, phone number, who you. Hey, I was about to call you. Huh? He's gonna be arrested.
Okay.
I'm gonna arrest him.
What you got?
I could get him from public intoxication. Also, he tried to take the lady's bag. You know what I'm saying?
Where's the victim?
She's gone now. I already got her information and everything.
Me and Rab gonna take him to the precinct.
Take it to the precinct. I'm gonna be right there as soon as I
He
get
ain't
this.
got no other bags and nothing.
I don't know exactly what he had with him. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. All right.
I copy.
You got any bags up there?
Yes.
Okay.
Want to remember my rights?
Nah, not yet.
Remember.
Just have a seat right now. Just tell me what happened real quick.
My rights? You don't want to talk? No, I just want you to remember my rights first.
No, I don't need to. I'm not gonna ask you. I just want to know what
Technically, you do need to remember my rights.
Okay, all right.
Well, you talk to me.
No, I'm not gonna talk to you.
Yeah, I was bringing it. Hey,
He got a bag. You got any bags?
yeah, no, this was it, all that he had out here. Here's the other thing we didn't realize till the red coat came on our toes. He stated I have a bomb, and he pushed several other, a passenger and a pilot. And everything before. I mean, we know it's a little loco and stuff, so, you know, just to let you know.
So where's the victim at?
The victim, the pilot, and the passenger went on. They went on, I guess, about their business. The lady that came
So
to
what did he
me
do to the
was a
victim?
red coat. Huh?
What did he do to the victim?
I don't know if he had the victim. The guys that were on him was U.S. Custom guys. Those guys that were on him, they were U.S. Custom. Did you see what he did to the victim? No.
I heard help.
Help. And she told me what had happened. He come in on a Las Vegas flight, and the other one was supposed to go out on the flight here. The red coat. I've got her name and information if you want it. She came around, brought him around here, and that's when he started talking out of his head, saying there was aliens on my wing of the plane. I've got a bomb. And then he said, if I touch you, that's assault.
And then he wouldn't touch her.
So you talked to this officer about that? All
No,
that?
I hadn't
yeah,
talked
you might
to him.
want to talk to him.
You
He's
would
going to
tell
be the
him.
primary.
Is he going to be the primary? I'll let him know.
All right.
And that's just
Must have just you bleeding from the nose. You want medical
Murder
attention?
is 2703.
You do?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
it's not going to be any more offensive.
That's fine. That's fine. I got you. No fire radio.
15, go ahead.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.